He flunked out of college. He had zero direction, no idea what to do with his life. Then, one ordinary day, sitting in his mother's beauty salon, a woman he'd never met before looked deep into his eyes and told him something that would change everything. She said, "Young man, you are going to travel the world and speak to millions of people. You will change lives." That woman's prophecy became Denzel Washington's destiny. But the path from that prophecy to his purpose? It was anything but easy. Welcome to Epic Life Hub, the channel where we uncover how every legend's success begins with a struggle. If you believe your life has a purpose and you're looking for that spark of inspiration to chase it, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, you'll want to stick around. Denzel Washington was born in Mount Vernon, New York. His father was a preacher, instilling a deep sense of faith, and his mother was a strong, determined woman who ran a beauty salon. Growing up, he saw the discipline of his father's faith and the hustle of his mother's work ethic. But as a teenager, Denzel started to lose his way. He began hanging out with the wrong crowd, making choices that could have easily sent his life down a dark path. 3 of his closest friends from that time would later end up in prison. Seeing her son on the verge of a dangerous future, his mother made a tough, life-altering decision. She scraped together every penny she had and sent him away to a private boarding school. It was an act of love, an act of desperation, and it was the very thing that saved him. That single moment, that tough decision, changed everything. Away from the negative influences, Denzel had the space to find himself. He went to college, and it was there, almost by accident, that he stumbled into a theater class. The moment he stepped on stage, he felt something ignite. He had found his calling. He had found his purpose. But discovering his purpose was just the beginning of the battle. Hollywood wasn't exactly rolling out the red carpet. He faced rejection after rejection. Casting directors told him he was too serious, too intense. They tried to box him in, to make him something he wasn't. But Denzel refused to change. Instead, he leaned into those very traits they criticized. He used his intensity and his seriousness to build some of the most powerful, complex, and unforgettable characters the world has ever seen. Think about his electrifying portrayal of Malcolm X, the righteous coach in Remember the Titans, or the corrupt but captivating detective in Training Day, which won him an Oscar. He didn't just play characters, he became them, and in doing so, he inspired millions. But what's the secret sauce? What's the engine that drives him? Behind every powerful speech, behind every award-winning performance, there are 2 unwavering pillars: faith and discipline. Denzel doesn't just talk the talk, he walks the walk. He prays before taking on every single role, asking for guidance. He famously says, "Put God first in everything you do." He isn't chasing fame. He isn't chasing money. He's chasing impact. He's on a mission to use his gift to uplift, to challenge, and to inspire. He understands that his talent isn't just for him. It's a vehicle for a greater message. So what's the ultimate lesson we can learn from Denzel's incredible journey? The secret that made him an unstoppable force isn't just talent or luck. It's faith. Not just faith in a higher power, but faith in himself and in his purpose. It's about knowing, deep in your bones, who you are and why you're here. Denzel heard his calling in that beauty salon all those years ago, and he never let go of it. When you finally discover your why, every obstacle, every rejection, every how becomes possible to overcome. Your purpose becomes your armor. If Denzel Washington's story moved you and fired you up, drop a flexed biceps emoji in the comments below to show some love. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Epic Life Hub and share this story with someone who needs to hear it, because purpose is contagious. Thank you for watching. And always remember the wisdom Denzel shares. When you're given a vision, don't ask if it's possible. Just start walking in it. See you in the next one.